Good morning to all. Today I explain one more chapter of science, that is the fun with magnet. So first question is arising in this chapter is what is magnet? So magnet is an object that has the property of attract to any magnetic material. There are two type of magnet, natural magnet and artificial magnet. Natural magnet, the magnet which obtain naturally, that is the natural magnet. As you see in your chapter that one shepherd is find a stone that is attached by their sticks, that is the natural magnet. This stone is called the lodestone, that is found naturally. So this stone is called the natural magnet. Second one is the artificial magnet. So those magnet which are made by the man, that is the artificial magnet. Here is some diagram that is so in different shape. These are the artificial magnet. According to our need, human made the different shape of magnet. There are bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnets and ball ended magnet. So these are the artificial magnet. Next point in this chapter is the magnetic and non-magnetic material. So the material which get attracted toward the magnet, this material is called the magnetic material. वो सभी मटेरियल जो कि मैग्नेट के टुवर्ड्स अट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं उन्हें मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल कहते हैं, जस्ट लाइक द आयरन, निकल एंड कोबाल्ट. नेक्स्ट इज द मटेरियल विच आर नॉट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड द मैग्नेट. वे मटेरियल जो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट नहीं होते हैं, दैट इज द नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल, जस्ट लाइक द कॉपर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इन दिस चैप्टर इज द on magnet, which area is more property of attraction, or which area is attractive force is more. So we see in this diagram the iron filling are more attracted at the end of the magnet. So we see that the end of magnet are more attraction property. So these end area of the magnet is called the pole. There are two types of poles on magnet, north pole and south pole, and these pole have the more attraction power. Next point is the chapter is the finding direction. In this chapter also I explain one story, that is the China, that is related to an emperor, that is the Hong Ti. He used a statue of a lady on his chariot that helped to find the direction in ancient time. So just like that, magnet or bar magnet also use for finding the direction. When we use a bar magnet and freely hang it, it always stay in the north south direction. That help to find the direction. In compass needle is also a magnetic needle that also help to find the direction. You see the compass needle is always stay in the north and south. That also help the find out the direction. This diagram is the compass. This have the magnetic needle and it help to find the direction. Next point in this chapter is the how we make our own magnet. For making our own magnet, we take here the आयरन. यहाँ पे हमने एक आयरन रॉड लिया है और एक बार मैग्नेट लिया है. वी रब दिस बार मैग्नेट ऑन दिस आयरन. इस आयरन बार पे हम इस मैग्नेट को रब करेंगे. रब करने के बाद इसके वन पोल को, चाहे वो नॉर्थ पोल हो या इवन नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल, कोई भी एक पोल लेके हम उसको रब करेंगे वन साइड टू अनदर साइड. आफ्टर दैट वी लिफ्ट इट. उसके बाद हम इसको उठा के फिर अदर यहाँ पे ले आएंगे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे और इसको कंटिन्यूसली रब करेंगे. देन वी फाइंड आउट दैट आयरन आल्सो वर्क लाइक ए मैग्नेट. तो फिर हम बाद में क्या देखते हैं कि आयरन जिस पे हम लोग ये बार मैग्नेट रब कर रहे थे, ये भी एक मैग्नेट की तरीके वर्क करने लगेगा. दैट्स फॉर दिस मेथड वी मेक आवर ओन मैग्नेट. अट्रैक्शन एंड रिपल्सन. Next point of this chapter is attraction and repulsion. We see that there are different type of magnet and there are two poles, north and south pole. And when we check which poles is attract, which pole is repulse, then we find that the different pole. It means the north pole attract the south pole and south pole attract the north pole of other magnet. And every time different pole of magnet attract to each other and same pole of magnet repels repel to each other. As we see in this diagram, there are cars and there is a magnet. When we see the blue is the north and red is the south, then when north and south poles are attract each other, and if we arrange the magnet north and north to each other or south to south each other, they are repelled to each other. So we find that the same pole of magnet attract to repulse to each other, and different pole of magnet attract to each other. Now few questions that by which we सेव और मैग्नेट. अपने मैग्नेट को सेव कैसे कर सकते हैं हम लोग? मैग्नेट को सेव करने के लिए, मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को उसके लॉस होने से बचाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? वी नेवर हीटेड द मैग्नेट. मैग्नेट को हीट नहीं करना चाहिए. नेवर हैमर्ड और ड्रॉप फ्रॉम द हाइट. मैग्नेट को कभी भी हाइट से ड्रॉप नहीं करना चाहिए, उसको हैमर्ड नहीं करना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ़ वी डू लाइक सो दैट वी लूज द मैग्नेट प्रॉपर्टी. अगर ऐसा करते हैं तो मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी लॉस हो जाएगी. सो दीज आर some topics that is related in this chapter. So I think, have you understood? You revise it. I sent some question related to this chapter. Everyone solve it. Thank you.